On behalf of the mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
What's up, Matadors? It's Monday, August 24th, 2026.
I'm Miyah Bonilla.
And I'm Marion. Coming up, Matador Minutes start soon, so stay tuned.
Plus, juniors and seniors, it's time to begin signing up for SATs and PSATs. We'll tell you how, so don't go anywhere.
Because MatCast starts right now.
Thanks for tuning into another episode of MatCast.
You're your go-to spot for all things Matador Nation.
So let's get started. Students and teachers, please remember that we will be hosting grade level assemblies through Wednesday in the PAC. Teachers, please walk your students in an orderly fashion. Freshman assembly was during 3rd period later today. During 8th period, we'll have sophomores tomorrow. Tuesday, August 25th, we'll have seniors during 3rd period and juniors during 8th period. On Wednesday, there will be another senior assembly where seniors will have a motivational speaker in the PAC. Expectations for this assembly are as follows. For a teacher, take attendance in your classroom before leaving the assembly. As soon as you have taken attendance, walk with your students to the PAC. Escort students to the assembly. Students should not report on their own. Sit with your students and actively supervise them throughout the presentation, and remain with your students until the assembly is dismissed.
Do you enjoy making art and learning new skills and techniques? Are you competitive and want to dedicate some extra time to art? Miss Brennan is looking for serious creatives who want to compete in visual arts scholastic event. You do not need to be in an art class to compete. Please see Miss B in room C09 after school on Wednesday, August 26th for more information. This is a great opportunity for people that love making art and to be recognized by our community leaders.
Freshman class, are you interested in running for a class officer spot? Freshman students can campaign for what they want to run from September 15th through September 30th. If you're interested in running for an officer position, be sure to pick up a freshman officer packet from Mr. De Leon in room 101. Be sure to turn in your packet because officers will be announced October 5th.
Thinking about what's next after high school? Let Talent Search help you plan your next step. Talent Search is a 100% free program that helps students prepare for college, whether you're interested in community college, university, or trade schools. They provide college visits to help you explore your options and make informed decisions about your future, plus help with FAFSA scholarships, college applications, and much more. Talent Search is not a class and does not take up an elective. It's an extra supportive to help you reach your goals after high school. All trips and activities are 100% free. If you're thinking about your next step, Talent Search can help you get there. Stop by D201 210 to apply or for more information.
Attention seniors and juniors, don't miss your opportunity to take the PSAT and SAT. It's free for all juniors and seniors. Juniors may qualify for the National Merit Scholarship Program. And seniors, this is important for college admissions, scholarships, and college readiness. So sign up today at bit.ly/SAT sign up 2026. You can also see Ms. Shearhart in room C201 for more information.
Me in the Middle is already planning their first meeting of the year. Me in the Middle is a club that provides inclusiveness across our campus. They have monthly events where our general ED students get together with our students who have special needs. Each event is themed different and always a great time that includes music, dancing, games, arts, crafts, and more. If you are interested in joining Meet in the Middle, the first meeting will be next Wednesday, August 26th in room D106 with Mr. Cantu at 4:30. Come out and learn more about how you can make a difference across our campus.
Attention teachers and coaches, if you have any announcements for MatCast, please send them to our email, matcast@seguin.k12.tx.us. Please provide as much detail and information about what you have going on. If you want to celebrate students, their achievements, or just get information out to our campus, we are here for you. If you have any questions, please email Mr. Timothy Cantu.
This year, we will be practicing in Character Strong once again, which prepares you for success both during and after high school.
We will focus on 3 main outcomes: increasing a sense of belonging for all students, improving skills that support student well-being, and deepening student engagement in their academics and their school and in their community.
Today, we concentrate on why building a community is important.
A community where people know each other is more likely to take care of one another.
Here's a short video on why community matters.
So what's your take on community?
I believe that community is built, not found.
Community isn't about where you are, but it's more about the people you're surrounded with.
I wouldn't be where I am without community.
Built, not found. Break that down for me.
Particularly in post-COVID world where digital communities dominate, building real communities in person has become more of a intentional task, and even you could consider a challenge.
We need each other. We're an interdependent species as human beings. We wouldn't even be able to survive on our own.
I don't think it's so much a place, but rather the people you're with, the connections you have, the shared interests that you have with people.
So not tying it to a physical location, but maybe more so interest-based.
Yeah, I mean, I remember moving to a new city and doing something that I have now heard multiple times be called friend dating.
You're low-key vibe checking everyone as you interact with
Essentially,
them.
you know, hey, with school, your entire social scene is like manufactured for you and it's optimized. And then when you're back in the real world and you need to go find that for yourself.
What communities do you find yourself in?
I definitely find myself in a lot of leadership communities.
Well, I work at a thrift store in my local community.
I'm a part of a really amazing music community. Music is an art form of collaboration. I'm a singer, but I don't know how to produce. I don't know how to play very many instruments, so I need other people to come together and make a full song.
Who do you think is responsible for building community?
When it comes to like a school setting, I think a lot of that responsibility is put on the teachers. But I think it can equally be put on to students to like build a club or something that other students can be a part of. It gets really intimidating sometimes because you're like, I don't think anyone else is going to be interested in this. We all just want to feel like we belong somewhere, and I think community is that first step for that.
Each and every one of us are responsible for creating community. Get out of your comfort zone, talk to people, finding the commonalities between you and others.
It's on all of us.
It's on all of us.
After hearing that message from Character Strong, teachers, we encourage to have your students speak about 2 of the 3 prompts you see on your screen. These are also available to view when you log into Character Strong account by going to Building Connections tab under their Tier 1.
If you need more time, you can pause the video now.
Those are all the announcements for today.
Reporting from the Matt Cave in Delta House, I'm Miyah Bonilla.
And I'm Marion.
Let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward because the future is now.